There's a common disconnect between what men think makes them attractive and what women genuinely find appealing. Many men focus on physical attributes alone, striving to be the ideal version of what they perceive other men think women want. This male gaze often misses the mark. The key to attracting women lies in a more holistic approach to self-improvement, one that encompasses both physical and mental well-being. By cultivating qualities that resonate with the female gaze, men can project a more genuine and magnetic presence. Here are some actionable steps you can take today to embark on this journey of becoming your most attractive self. The key to attractiveness isn't just about aesthetics. It's about radiating an aura that invites interaction. Imagine cruising down the street with a furrowed brow or a downturned mouth. It might make you look brooding or uninterested, sending out a do not disturb signal. Scrolling endlessly through your phone has the same effect. A genuine smile, on the other hand, is a universal invitation. It projects warmth, confidence, and openness, making you instantly more approachable. But remember, a forced grin can feel disingenuous. Focus on cultivating a positive outlook and finding things that spark true joy in your life. When your smile stems from genuine happiness, it becomes contagious, putting others at ease and drawing them in. Approachability goes beyond just a smile, though. It's about actively conveying that you're open to connection. Constantly glued to your phone sends the message that you're unavailable. Put your phone away for a while, make eye contact with those around you, and show that you're present in the moment. Finally, good posture matters. Walking with your head down can make you seem withdrawn or unconfident. Maintain good posture, head held high but not arrogantly. This allows for natural eye contact and projects an air of self-assurance, making it easier for others to approach you and strike up a conversation. Remember, approachability is a two-way street. By actively creating a welcoming presence, you open yourself up to new connections and make yourself more attractive in the process. Developing your own distinct style goes beyond just following trends. Women appreciate men who express themselves through their clothing choices because it showcases individuality and confidence. It's not about flashy labels or expensive pieces. It's about incorporating details that reflect your personality. Think about adding subtle touches like a statement necklace or a well-chosen ring. Inspiration can be found everywhere, in magazines, on the street, or even in movies. But the key is to curate, not copy. Look for people whose style resonates with you, but prioritize finding individuals with similar body types and features. This ensures the clothes will flatter your unique physique. Ultimately, your style should complement your hobbies and lifestyle. Are you an artist who values comfort and functionality, or a businessman who needs a polished look? Choose clothes that suit your daily activities and make you feel comfortable in your own skin. Trust your instincts. The best style is the one that feels authentically you and radiates confidence. Height, money, and status do matter to some extent. Most women prefer taller guys because it makes them and their family feel protected and safe. However, this doesn't mean that one needs to be over 6 feet tall to be seen as attractive. In general, women like it when a man is slightly taller than them. More important are things that you can actually influence, such as being dressed and groomed well and having a quality skincare routine. Taking care of your skin is crucial, as the first thing every woman notices about a man is his face. T. Hanley, a renowned skincare brand, offers products specifically for people who struggle with acne. You don't need to be a multimillionaire to find a girlfriend, though having a stable income certainly helps. Yes, you should try to make as much money as possible every day to guarantee your family the best life possible, but this doesn't have to get into extremes. Being respected by society and having a good physique will also reflect your status and show women that you are a high-value man. Kindness towards others is attractive. Women like men who respect others and help them. If you show kindness and generosity towards others, you reflect positive qualities such as compassion and empathy, which contribute to a healthy relationship. However, it's important not to exaggerate it and help everybody with every task. Learn to say no and set clear boundaries. Don't chase her. Instead, create mystery and intrigue. Limiting your attention and making it valuable can make you more desirable. Women like what they can't have, and ignoring a woman can make her feel like she can't have you, which can be a very effective way to get her attention. Having expressive eyes is important. Your eyes should tell your emotions as they bring your charisma to another level and make you appear more attractive. Lastly, do what you say. Standing by your word is crucial because otherwise nobody will take you seriously. Show independence and leadership by having your own beliefs and views on things. The Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20 rule, can be applied to dating, where you agree with 80% of your partner's views and have your own opinion on 20% of things. Remember, attractiveness is more than just physical appearance. It's about cultivating a well-rounded personality that radiates confidence, kindness, and approachability. By focusing on self-improvement and authenticity, you'll project a magnetism that naturally draws people towards you. Now get out there and start creating meaningful connections.